What's going on, everyone? Hope you are having a wonderful day. I'm gonna skip the intro today and we'll talk as we go. Hit that subscribe button. We're having a giveaway at 250 subscribers. These 3-packs on the left are a little dented, so kind of hoping we don't get anything good, or if we do, the card is protected by the other cards. We'll see. I did cave and pay above retail for this. I'm not gonna count the Pokeballs as hits. I said what I said. I think the bottom one's the worst pack. You guys had any luck trying to find these? Everyone I've talked to has not for retail. I just stopped checking, to be honest with you. Jolteon. Look, yeah, I'm scared. Please don't be a Sunbreon. I'm not sure when this will air in relation to some other videos I had. I did have some good hits in the Japanese set. And I've paid money for a break for these, but this is the first time I've opened them up. Not a good start. I did better on the breaks. At least I think I got an EX, which is not crazy, but... And if we do get a hit, I'll put that's cool energy. If we do get a hit, I'll list what it's going for, but in these newer sets, the prices are gonna fluctuate so much. Take it with a grain of salt. Okay, that's pretty cool. I'm really bad at knowing what's what. I'll put, if it's an SIR, what it is, but I think that's a pretty good hit. Probably should learn that right if we're gonna make YouTube videos, but it is what it is. I'm excited. I think that really is good. I might be talking it up and it might not be anything, but at least it didn't come out of a damage pack. Okay, we'll count that. A Flareon. So we got a Flareon Jolteon Holo so far. I did get these in the 3-packs. Came in the sticker collection. I think the average I paid for it, $11 a pack, which is probably the most I've ever paid for a pack of Pokemon cards, but come on. That's just a reverse Glaceon. Okay, I'll take the Glaceon. I did get 3 Glaceon promo cards in that. Let me know what you think of the new set. I'm pretty happy. We're gonna find out how happy when I look this up real quick, and I'll put all the details. Thanks for tuning in for this video. We still have a couple mystery box coming. I don't know if it'll be before or after this, but stay tuned.